This is number 2010 Sharp I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns, to Amazulu. No, my brother, how's it?
I am good, and how are you, my leader?
Good, man. Your take on the game tonight?
No, after to fight one fixed African football. Well, I think it's always like this, man. When a season starts, you always see Mamelodi Sundowns a little bit struggling. As you know how Pretoria is, my leader. They're always stealing phones. So Mamelodi Sundowns each and every season when they start a league, it's always tough for them. They always seem to be struggling. I don't know if they're trying always to try to hypnotize us in a matter of us thinking, alright, the team has lost its rhythm and they're losing everything. Even last season they started bad. You remember last season at some point they drawn with Abo Polokwane City. Polokwane City drawn with them in Lucas Masterpiece Moripe, went on to beat them. So each and every season Mamelodi Sundowns start, the rhythm is always low. But I think it's a questionable factor in terms of you see you don't have key players available. You don't have the players that are maybe they are key players in the team. I mean the likes of our Kurisa Mudau not in the squad, Ribeiro not in the squad. The man who had a lot of goal margin last season, even in terms of assists, he brought many things.
Football of the season,
football of the season. I mean you don't have the likes of Peter Shalulile, though he's back here today. But then it's a questionable factor. Good, is he going or what's happening? But I think there's something going wrong at Sundowns. If you look at the factors like this guy. Tapelo Maseko crying on the media. So there's a little bit tough thing. But going into the game, I think credit to Rowan Williams. He had a good game, though the mistake there and there. There was a point where he was supposed to, he almost dished out an assist to the other team. And also going to the back, I'm very, very impressed with how Muthunyela played today. A player who had many bad games back in the past. The county match didn't believe in him. But today he came up, he showed up. Cool, come and collected the back. I mean, in terms of overlap, he give you the quality. Going Kopele, cutting in, giving you an addition in terms of numbers. Kopele. You see at the centre back pairing. They know each other, the centre back. I mean, Ukubido, the player I think from a Club World Cup, the guy has improved. Exactly. The guy has had a good game, even against in the MTN game, even the game that they played. I think in Richards Bay game, he had a good game. Gran Kekana, most consistent player at Mamelodi Sundowns. Going on the other side, I mean, Umudiba, though Umudiba has mistakes going Kopili in terms of the goal to high. Sometimes he get opportunities, but to catch the ball. Same as Usales. You know, Salas as a country, I think I need to apologize to him. I once called him a cow, but I was not wrong and a scam. I was not wrong at that time. He was not doing anything. Remember, my leader, if I say you are poor today, then tomorrow you go and win low. So doesn't mean yesterday I was wrong when I said you are poor. Exactly, so the guy has improved in terms of positioning Umnandi, but unfortunately, what he lacks is finishing. In terms of finishing, that guy needs to work on finishing. He gets many opportunities, Salas going forward, but unfortunately hitting the net is a problem for him. Mukwe Namrembola in the middle, carrying the middle, bringing a structure to the middle. Going on side the Amazulu, man, a good tactician in terms of Arthur Zwane. We saw his time go Chiefsy. He did well, but at some point struggled in a little bit of releasing players that he was not supposed to release. I mean the likes of Onakovic. But today you look at his defense, the only error with him, he came into Sundowns respecting Sundowns. Otomaka low block, you have 5 at the back. How come? You study a game 5 at the back and you have 2 holding midfielders there. But I'm impressed with the boy, that guy who has number 6. I quality talented player. I saw him Rembola going forward. Yeah, but congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think, man, I won't be wrong if I say the league is gone.
Is it gone already?
Man, I think Sundowns, they're already away from the people that we can say they can compete for the league. Yes, Amazulu will come into the party, but we don't know either they're going to be consistent. Mara, the league is gone. No, the league is Mara, no, it's Pirates. You saw how they're struggling. I think just to say a little bit thing about Uadu, what do you want to say at Pirates if you continue this way? Check how he's not even consistent. He listen to the fans. Today he benched Umbule. I mean at the back you take out a defender of the season, Usibis, and put Usiema. There's nothing. Captain. So you're creating a new team. Mufukeng I don't think even substitute Mufukeng in. Mbule was never even substituted in. So I don't know, man. It's a little bit tough. He's under pressure, man. Honestly speaking, he's under pressure. But tomorrow, my leader, I'm playing against TS Galaxy. I will move them tomorrow, my leader. I will have 6 points.
You can't move this woman's man.
My leader, remember, I went to Orlando. I got there, it was Women's Day, I defeated them. The women were crying. So it won't be a first and usual thing. I will do it. They will be crying tomorrow. And first of all, I'm sorry for you, for our boys beating you tomorrow, man. It's a Women's Day, we understand, Women's Month, we understand. Marai, we gotta get points, man. We gotta get points.
We have women.
No, I can't comment. Last year we started at number 16, but we end up at number 5. So I can't comment up until last year we started at number 16.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
That's how Jess got
but we ended at number 5.
Don't worry.
Since we have a Tina, I was come out about the cheese means achievement. Yeah. So I'm kulum is success.
No.
Success is Sayakon.
And score first like last. I'll come back. Score 2.
2-1. 2-1.
I'll make a comeback.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.